What's up, YouTube, Facebook? You know who it is. Over here with the Chevelle, just put the hood on. Painted the inside of it yesterday, all the jams. You can see underneath there, all the inside is done. It's a grate that goes right there. That's right here. I'm gonna still paint that off of it. Then I'll put that on later because I got the antenna right here sticking out, still the cable. So if I was to put that grate on, I can't hide that antenna. Did you fill that spray bottle back up?
No, he just had a big bucket.
What you gonna do? Fill the water up like that?
What are you gonna do?
I was just wet sanding. What you mean what I'm gonna do?
I thought you were gonna sand the red off. Look at that.
Yeah, but that shit was kind of too aggressive. It was like going down to the, it was about to tear the shit out. I'll just do it by hand. It's coming off by hand anyways. It ain't that bad. '67 Chevelle, a real Chevelle.
Just take the ladder, start on top.
Just wet sanding the outside. It's about to spray him up. See that body looking good. This car done had everything done to it. Look how good the windows look. Yes, sir. Installed that new cowl induction hood. You gotta make sure that shit stay wet though, man. Even if you gotta get a rag, wet the rag and just put the rag up there so water's constantly flowing. Alright, where we get back at y'all, man.